So would I recommend my client buy this $725,000 home in Odenton? They sent it to me. Let's break it down in under a minute. Let's see what we got going on. All right. So some of the basics are, of course, it's listed for $725. It has 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, over 3,100 square feet, and it's located just minutes from Fort Meade. That's awesome if you're active duty. These people are not, but for military buyers, that's a location that's going to be a huge plus for anyone looking for that short commute. What I do like is, the 6 bedrooms gives you flexibility for a growing family, guest, or even a dedicated office if you're working remotely. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Who doesn't love that? With over 3,000 square feet, it means you're getting a lot of living space compared to many homes in the area. And the curb appeal isn't bad. That front porch looks awfully inviting. Be cool to hang out on that. Let's see, it looks like it's taking pride in the overall house. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. What I still want to verify is the home's overall value and condition during inspections. Those are going to be like the deal breakers for me. Where I'd want to investigate is comps. Does the purchase price justify, the value? Basically, I want to see if the value is there, and if the value is there, the comps support the value, then we can move forward to inspections. Just because inventory is limited doesn't mean you should overpay for a house. That's just my opinion. I'd also ask 3 super important questions: how old is the roof? How old are the HVAC systems and water heater? And then, are there any major updates that the next owner will need to be budgeting for to buy this house? So those are the 3 keys there. This is going to save you thousands and thousands after closing if you know those things. So from a mortgage perspective, if you're using a VA loan, I'd also look at whether the seller might contribute towards your closing costs or even help buy down your interest rate. At this home price, that could save you a lot of money per month and really make a meaningful difference. I'm estimating at this payment for this house around $4,500, depending on interest rates on the day, right? They change every day. So, we got to keep that in mind. Final rating based on just what I can see, not doing, any inspections or anything, 8.5 out of 10, because it's a great location, plenty of space, and you just want to make sure that the price matches the market and the home's condition. So if anybody else wants me to break something down for this, like I do for a lot of my clients, just let me know. Just send me the address. I can help break it down. And like I tell all of my clients, make sure you know the payment for the home before you get into it, and also how much the closing costs are, because the last thing I ever want people to do is get under contract and say, now we have to look at numbers, and now I'm wondering, can I afford this per month? Oh no, it's out of my budget. Like, nobody wants that, right? Get the numbers up front, get the estimates, get the cash to close and payment most specifically, and then move on from there. And then that will arm you with the information you need to move forward to the next part of the process. Hopefully that helps. Y'all have a great day.